BagHead, your BagHead buddy, and this is BagHead Toons.
Guess who? Everybody thinks I'm crazy. Yes, sirree, that's me, that's me. That's what I'm cracked up to be. I chop a hole in every tree. Knock on wood. Oh, well, knock on wood. So I'm crazy, so what can I do? So are you.
Hey, you! Cut out that noise!
Ah, go lay an egg. You can't do that to me! Where'd you get that stuff? Come down and fight like a man. I can lick you and your whole family.
Oh, shut up.
Who says so?
I says so.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, ganging up on me, huh? I'll show ya. Put 'em up. You all look alike to me.
I think the guy's crazy. Boy, is he a screwball.
He must be nutty.
Yeah, he's slap happy. I think the guy's nutty. He's crazy. He's a screwball.
Yeah,
He's weird. He's totally crazy. He's bad.
Yeah, that's right. He's crazy, all right. You're absolutely right. A guy like that ought to be locked up.
That woodpecker's crazy as a loon. You said it.
About whom were you referring? About whom?
We think you're crazy. Yeah, you got some screws loose.
Ah, so I've got some screws loose. Well, watch this. How am I doing?
We still think you're crazy.
No, that's a screwball.
If you're so smart, let's see what you can do to that tree.
It's a cinch.
See? We told you you're crazy.
You're screwy. Yeah, you're nuts.
Better get your head examined.
You ought to see a psychiatrist.
Maybe I am crazy. Maybe I'd better see I'll go see a doctor.
Egad, what a night! I saw them do this in the movies. How are you, laddie boy? Any similarity between me and the doctor is purely accidental.
I think this guy's balmy.
Sit down, stand up, bend over, straighten up, open your mouth, close your mouth, stick out your tongue, say yeah, rub your head, pat your foot. Habit forming, isn't it? Now, I give you the equilibrium test.
Remember me?
That's very funny. Ha, ha, ha. But I didn't like it, see? Now read that line.
Can't see a thing, Doc.
I'll bet you can see it now.
I'll bet you I can't neither.
Well, open your eyes.
I can see. I can see. Yeah, I can see. Doc, you're wonderful.
Didn't mind him, folks. He's crazy. Aye, he's crazy, but I'm all right. Or am I? Yahoo! Whoopee!
That doctor sure is a card, isn't he? But I don't think he's near as funny as the woodpecker. Do you think so, mister, huh? Do you, mister, huh? I like cartoons. Don't you like cartoons? Help! Get me out of here! Help!
You've been watching BagHead Toons. I'm your host, Bobby BagHead, your BagHead buddy. Please click like and subscribe for more. Stay tuned.